Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study biology. First, familiarize yourself with the entire Class 12th biology syllabus, noting key topics and weightage. Next, develop a structured study timetable, allocating specific time slots for each chapter and regular revisions. Prioritize understanding complex biological processes and diagrams rather than just memorizing facts. This foundational approach will build a strong base for your learning journey. Remember, consistency is key to mastering this subject effectively. To study effectively, incorporate visual learning by drawing and labeling diagrams, which helps in better retention of complex structures and processes. Create flowcharts for cycles and pathways to simplify understanding. Actively solve previous year's question papers and sample papers to get acquainted with the exam pattern and common question types. This practice will also improve your time management skills during the actual examination. Mastering biology involves breaking down extensive chapters into smaller, digestible parts. As you study, create brief, clear notes that highlight essential definitions, examples, and functions. These notes will be invaluable for quick revisions. Consider forming study groups to discuss challenging topics. Explaining concepts to others often solidifies your own understanding. Don't hesitate to ask teachers or peers for clarification on any confusing areas. For exam preparation, ensure you revise all chapters thoroughly, ideally multiple times, to reinforce your memory. Pay special attention to high-scoring units and topics that frequently appear in past exams. Practice writing detailed answers, especially for descriptive questions, to improve your presentation. And hey, while you're getting ready for exams, remember to check the description for a link to grab some Little Trees black ice for your car, plus other great deals. Good luck with your studies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.